Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we saw this expression by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have 200 minus 150 times 3 over 20 minus 15. So first we saw numerator, then we saw denominator. Numerator is 200 minus 150 times 3 and denominator is 20 minus 15. So first we saw numerator. Numerator is, we know that first we solve multiplication, then we solve subtraction. So according to the rule, now we solve multiplication. So 200 minus 150 times 3, they give us 450, and divide by 20 minus 15. So they give us 200 minus 450, they give us minus 250, and divide by, so we saw denominator, so divide by 20 minus 15, they give us 5. Now minus 250 divided by 5, so they give us 50 minus 50. So the final answer is minus 50. Thanks for watching.